Welcome to Merch Genie AI, your destination for creating custom merchandise. Transform your ideas into unique designs using our AI-powered platform. Whether you're looking for custom gifts or a tool for creators and dreamers, we have something for everyone. Scroll down to see all our products for sale. Merch Genie AI provides the ability to create your personalized designs on many different types of products, all with easy customization options. Merch Genie AI allows you to create your dream design with our AI. Tell our AI Genie how you want your product to look like. If he messes it up, tell him again. Let's start by selecting a product to generate. Then, you choose the product type from the list. Once you have selected the product type, you can fill in the prompts of design. Let's describe the design. I'm going to type in a fanciful illustration of the beanstalk from Jack and the Beanstalk. Here is design number 1. Let's give the Genie a new design idea. Let's tell the Genie to make it more vibrant and add more details to the background. Let's go with a more heavy metal style. Add text that reads, Beans Rock. Here's design number 2. We're happy with the design. Let's create our product. As we wait for the Merch Genie to conjure our product, remember that it's free to try. You can make products that have your own personal or team logo created by Merch Genie AI, with custom styles or personalizations, making it great for creating personalized gifts for birthdays and other holidays. You can check your stats by clicking the user icon in the upper right corner. The product is being created. The magic is happening. If you've ever said to yourself, man, I wish I had a t-shirt that said that, well, now Merch Genie can help you make that shirt and order it right now. If you've got a special someone whose birthday is coming up, you can use Merch Genie to make a greeting card, clothes, office supplies, and 1,000 more different products personalized just for them. Why wear some company's logo when you can have Merch Genie make you a shirt with a logo that represents you and your values? With Merch Genie AI, everyone can be their own fashion designer. No more mindless messages. No need for corporate agendas and messages backed by non-governmental organizations backed by tax dollars. Just the products you want, the way you want them, right now. Here is our sticker. The shape is square, size 5 by 5, and surface is white. You can zoom in on the sticker to see more details and also see it in the other photos on other products. You can create this design for anything.